Hello everyone, I'm Kenny Nimao and in this video I'm going to explain about the real web app I have downloaded. This web app is about posting posts and interaction with other users with reactions and comments. Objective is for schools or colleges to create an environment in which users can share their thoughts and ask problems which they don't understand. Other users can be able to share their thoughts and approaches to the problem with many features. Let's dive into the application. First, we must have an account to be able to use the application. One can register or log in if they already have an account. Let's make a new account. Once we have an account, uh, nothing will appear because we still don't have no friends. Let's find some friends in all users and assign who we know. All user, let's add Alice, TJG and Japanese. Oh, also the Chawi. Uh, so we must log out this account and log in with other account to accept friend request. Uh, let's let's log in with J. See, friend request appear. Can you name so we accept. So we must log out from this and again next account. Also, there are so many requests in this account. So we accept Canadian amount and log out. At least so we have there are some notification log out. So we have to log in back with our new account and let's see if we can see their post. Oh, so there are notification. The chat accepts your private request. The chat with Alice and so we must clear this. First, let's put let's add some pictures. And so my picture is thing. Let's put a picture and post appears. So the Alice say hello. So let's hello Alice. A comment can you more hello Alice. The chair will say do your homework. Oh yes. The change is knowledge sharing about language and eco editors like and that is accurate analysis with big O or test. So if user will be notified if Be paragraph accepted or someone like your post or comment on your post. Let's see if there is notifications or DJ. So there's so many notification. Oh, there's can you name out like your post? Can you name out comments on your post? Let's see what is that. And their post and likes. Can you name out? Can you name out? Okay. That's all. Thank you.